just the way you are, girl. If you put on a bone or if you take off a bone, hey, you're just the way you are, girl. Make up with no makeup, with no breakup, just the way.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Lakia and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this. So guys, today I will be doing a first impression video on the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed recipes fix my hair intensive repair conditioning mask. This mask claims to treat brittle, damaged hair to the benefits of Aunt Jackie's inner and outer hair deep repair recipe with omega fatty acids and antioxidants and vitamins. This rinse out formula helps strengthen and restore vibrancy. As you can see here, the mask is very thick, but the smell of it is really good. I love the smell. It smells so good, like a fruity tropical smell. I just love it. The mask has no sulfates, petroleum or mineral oil. Taking down my t-shirt that I use to dry my hair, I am beginning with freshly washed hair. Yes, and it was washed by a sulfate shampoo. Now I am going to part my hair into 4 sections because sections always make it easier for me to apply product. Okay guys, this is taking way too long. Wait, I'm back. Guys, as you can see, I have my hair into 4 sections and I am using these clips to keep them apart. I got these from my local beauty supply store. So I'm taking now the first section and parting it into smaller sections for easier application. Now that my hair is parted and separated from the rest, I am going to take the mask and get a good size amount and apply it to my hair. So as you can see, yes, it's very thick. So I'm smoothing it down the hair shaft and down the strands of my hair. I'm making sure I coat every hair strand with the mask, especially the ends, which are the most fragile, so they need the most moisture. So here you can see my face. I was enjoying this mask. Now I'm taking my shampoo brush that Jakie is awesome introduced me to this. This slides through my hair like butter. This is awesome. I love this here. Thank you, Jakie, for everything. Make sure you guys go and subscribe to her channel. I will be sure to put the link in the description box. The slit of this conditioner was so good. Look at that, guys. Ooh, it went through so good. No tangles, no knots, nothing. So after that, I will begin to try and twist that section up and move on to the rest of my hair. I twist the section up to stop the knots from reoccurring to my hair. So as you can see, guys, this is the end result of the twist. Yes, I'm turning it around my finger. So my twist look very juicy, and I will be back when I finish all the rest of my hair. have just finished applying the mask to every section of my hair, and as you can see, I am loving this hair mask. This hair mask is so good. The slip was awesome. I'm loving everything about it so far. Look at my twists, guys. Look at my twists. They are thick, they are juicy, they look moisturized, shiny. Yes. Oh, guys, I was like, where have you been? Anyway, so this smell, I can't get enough of this smell. This smell smells so good. It smells so awesome. Okay, guys, moving on with life, I'm going to put on a shower cap for further penetration of the hair mask into my hair shaft. So as you know, guys, I do deep condition with heat. So I'm grabbing my jet bonnet. I did a review on this. I'll be sure to link that in the description box. But yes, I'm applying my jet bonnet, and I'm going to turn on the dryer, as you can see here. So as you can see, it has been inflated because I can feel the hot air coming through from the dryer all the way up to my head. So I'll be back in 20 minutes after this has been penetrated. So guys, it has been 20 minutes and I'm back. So this was on for 20 minutes and I'm going to turn off the dryer here, and then I'm going to take off my jet bonnet off of my head. So feeling the shower cap, yes, it did get hot. So I'm going to take off the shower cap just to show you what my twists are looking like after I have sit under the dryer. So I will start by unraveling the first twist, as you can see here, and look at that shine, and that definition is also on fleek. I'm loving the softness of my hair, and my hair is still detangled, and my hair is healthy. My hair loves this mask. So now I'm going to twist that section back up and head into the shower. So hey guys, I'm in the shower as you can see, and I did put back on my shower cap just because I wanted to. So I'm taking it back off. Yes, I'm smelling it because I love the smell of the mask. I just love it. So here is my hair once more, and it's time to wash it out. But first I'm going to take down my twist, mainly because I do not wash my hair with twist ink. Now my twists are all out. I am just going to turn on the shower and adjust it to my liking. Now I'm going to rinse my hair in the water, making sure all of the hair mask that did not get to penetrate into my hair shaft is washed out. this is my hair completely rinsed out. No mask is inside my hair at the moment. Well, it has been penetrated to my hair shaft, but I mean on the outer layer of my hair. So yes, my hair felt so soft. This is the back. As you can see, my hair looks great. Shake it, girl. So guys, so far I am loving this hair mask. And Jackie's really did a good job. As you can see, my hair is still detangled after I have washed out without the twist. So giving this hair mask 2 thumbs up. I am going to go and tell you my final thought on this hair mask. Guys, I just stepped out of the shower and I'm ready to give my final thought on this this hair mask right here by Aunt Jackie's. Okay, so this hair mask is very thick. I like the consistency though. It's thick, but I like the consistency. The slip, guys, the slip. Let's talk about the slip. The slip is so bomb. I mean, my shampoo brush, that's what I use to detangle, or a with tooth comb, went through my hair like, oh, and it left my hair like butter, guys. It was like butter. It went through my hair so nicely. I just love it. Now this is gonna be my staple product. This will be my mask. Oh yes, guys, I love it. I love it. Now let's talk about how soft it left my hair. Oh my god, guys, look at that. This hair left my hair incredibly soft, guys. So soft. I just gotta say I love it, guys. I just have to say I love it. Praise to Aunt Jackie. When people tell you Aunt Jackie's got you, Aunt Jackie, she got you. I don't know if I'm going to try out other products by Aunt Jackie, but this mask right here, guys, this is holy grail, man. Just like how my coconut oil is my holy grail, this become my holy grail. So I bought this for like $14.50, $14.50, and yeah, it's not too pricey, but I can live with that price. Honestly, I can live with it. So I will be repurchasing this again. This deep conditioner right here. I mean, by this hair mask, conditioning, intensive repair conditioning hair mask. Guys, this is bomb, guys. Now to compare this to the Rapid Repair Beautiful Textures Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner, this is a box. So I'm not gonna compare the two because this is a box. It's not a deep conditioner, it's a box. Well, deep conditioner and mask are like the same thing, but they are thicker. The mask is thicker. But this is holy grail, guys. This having protein, but it's like is lower down in the ingredients thing. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. It's enriched with flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, avocado, and coconut oil for dry damage and hair, and it is for protect and helps in protective styling. So guys, let me tell you about this smell. Oh my god, I just got some right here, but this smell is so bomb, so bomb. This smells so good, and it left my hair smelling so fresh and nice. Look at that. Look at my hair. Don't my foresee hair feel soft? I mean, look soft because you guys can't feel. But if you guys could have put your hands in my hair, you then know.
Yes, guys, this feels amazing. To be honest, this gets 2 thumbs up for me. I love it. I love it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe. And remember, guys, to be you, be unique, and be natural, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.
Stalk me on social media. It's your girl, Jakie.